Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to find any color code on your screen using the color picker in Windows 11 with PowerToys. This gives you a fast, universal eyedropper tool that reads any exact pixel on your display and copies the precise hex, R, G, B, or CMYK color codes straight to your clipboard instantly. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu on the left side and click on Color Picker. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable Color Picker and click it to flip it completely on. Pull up the specific website, graphic design asset, or application image containing the target color you want to extract onto your desktop screen. Press the default universal shortcut keys, Windows key plus Shift plus C simultaneously on your keyboard. A high-precision eyedropper tool will follow your mouse cursor. Hover it over the exact pixel you want to scan and click your left mouse button. An editing workspace layout will pop up, displaying your sampled color alongside its exact hex value, allowing you to click the Copy button to save it directly to your clipboard. And that's it! Your universal desktop color sampling system is now completely enabled and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.